Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So they got me in that mode, bitch. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So I just made a video mentioning driving in the rain, y'all. So I was headed to get my oil changed, but the weather decided to change out of nowhere, and here I am stuck trying to head back home to get out this rain. As you can see, I got the car in eco mode. I'm going like, you can see how fast I'm going. Usually the speed limit on this road, people be going like 65, but I'm slow creeping. It is a car behind me, but I guess they creeping too. It's raining pretty hard also. And another bad thing, y'all, my front scooter came off. It didn't really bother me because it is what it is. But I caught it in time where I can get it put back on. I just gotta get the extension rods on, but still, I think it can still come out with the extension rods. That's why I like the front bumper lips. The ones that I had on my previous Charger. I'm gonna show that right here in the next clip. These right here are some back roads, so it ain't really much space to get over. Like, you know, as other cars coming, they bringing a wave of water that's gonna knock against your car like that. You can see, you ain't got room to get over, so it's just got to drive at a slow pace with a lot of patience. Luckily, I'm almost home. I decided to turn around just in time, but the rain caught back up to me. If you do have another car to drive, so you won't have to drive this in the rain, I'll highly recommend that. But if this will be your only car you have to drive in the rain, I just say be careful. Just watch your surroundings well. Especially people, especially this car right here just trying to hurry up. They probably trying to go to work, because my job is right here. But anyway, like I was saying, watch your surroundings, especially on the edge of the road where it be a lot of standing water, and also to your left whenever the other vehicles pass, throwing waves of water on you, especially 18-wheelers. I hate that. But yeah, like I said, just be careful. Don't speed. Drop your car down in eco mode. I don't know if y'all just seen that, but all that water just came up on the edge of the road. If you got room to get in the middle to avoid riding in a puddle of water, do that. Sometimes if it's nothing coming, I'll ride directly in the middle of the road. Like, look at all that water. I don't know if y'all seen it. It's a bad spot up here because it's a river, so if it's high enough, the water will overflow onto the bridge. And all this rain is just within like 10 minutes. And y'all don't worry if it's a car following you too close. And if they're in the rear, let them pass you. Don't speed up or nothing. Drive at your speed that makes you feel safe. My plans for the day was to head to Dodge, get my oil changed. I ain't gonna let this secret out, but test drive something, and also take my car to CarMax and see what they will give me for it. So what y'all think I got planned on doing? Comment down below in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and you should have already liked this video. You know, drop your different color emojis. But y'all, I'm in the plan of doing something. It's gonna be real different. Y'all will see in time. I don't want to really speak on it just in case it don't happen, you know. nobody will be let down. But like I said, I was going to Dodge to test drive something and get an oil change. So hopefully I can do that tomorrow and it'll be in the next video. Let me show y'all my front splitter. But here is the front splitter. Right here, this side came off first, as you could tell from the edges. That right there can be bumped out a little bit, but I'm not even mad. You know, you gotta expect these things with a front splitter, whether you got extension rods or not. So much speed will knock it loose, but I wasn't speeding because I know I had this on. I was gonna get my extension rods put on because I was gonna wrap them and, you know, the wrap as my car. But it is what it is. The car still looks good without it. It just look empty. I mean, the front end is bold enough to hold its own. All I did when I took it off, I just held the bottom of my front bumper and popped it down. Well, pop the front splitter down with my foot so I wouldn't be pulling the whole front end of my car down. Tell y'all what I just thought about. I could trim down this side, well, this side right here to match up to that side. So now it looks like the sun want to come back out, so I might just go ahead and go to Dodge because I wanted to get so many number of videos in before this month is over with. I wanted to get at least 20 and I'm almost there. So listen, y'all, I had an idea for those of you that are looking to do YouTube, or even if you already do YouTube and you would like to know some of my quick tips and things that I do to edit my video. I do edit on Adobe Premiere Pro. Also, I do edit some things in iMovie. So listen, you can buy Adobe Premiere Pro or you can pay for it monthly. And if you got an iPhone, iMovie comes on it for free. So, I mean, there's no excuse. I'm sure Androids come with something, but I don't know what they come with because I'm not an Android fan. But anyway, listen, you do not need a fancy camera to start YouTube. You do not need a fancy camera to make it through YouTube. You can simply use your phone record in high quality. Just, you know, keep your lens clean, and that's all you need. So y'all let me know down below in the comment section if that's something y'all would like to see. If so, I will jump on that immediately. I will start those videos maybe next month, just to give y'all some quick tips of what I do and things that I use to make my video transition the way it do. So this is what the screen will be looking like whenever I'm showing y'all how to edit these videos. You will see exactly what I'm doing. You know, I'm looking at y'all, but my computer is right here, so y'all seeing whatever I see. I'll break down everything that you need to know to do whatever I'm doing. This right here is a video. This right here is a video that was posted before this video that y'all watching now. You know, little things like this right here. The iPhone mock-up that's about to pop up next. Right here. If y'all want to know how to do all of that. And also other things. Simple things that a lot of people don't pay attention to, but it adds character to your video. Like, as y'all can see, these black bars at the top and bottom of the screen, which is called like cinematic bars. To kind of give it a cinematic look, I'm gonna show y'all a video that I did that's got the same thing that gives the video more character. Let me save this. Oh, make sure you try to save as much as you can while you editing. It randomly saves, but also save it yourself, because at any moment the program can crash and you could be done lost everything that you done did. But let me open another project, like my Miami one. So right here is the Miami video. I added, like, you can call this a B-roll. It's kind of like to bring in the video. Let me play it for those of you that haven't seen it. I ain't gonna play the whole clip, but it's a lot of things that go into it. My favorite part about this video is the ending. Listen, these clips right here was recorded with my iPhone. But it's a simple thing. Like I said, if y'all want me to show y'all, just let me know in the comment section and I will jump on those videos. Make sure y'all subscribe.